back to PowerPoint Training Online. And before we start, I just want to say thank you for joining us today. We love you coming here to see us. Also, if you'd like to catch up more on our tutorials and see what else we're doing, hit the subscribe button below and click that notification button. That way then you're going to get all the latest links whenever you need them. Now, let's get into what we're going to do today. So, what we want to do is we're going to show you how to convert a PowerPoint slideshow into a PDF. Not that difficult, really simple to do, but we are here and we're going to show you how to do it. So once you've got your presentation, so you can see I've got my presentation here on communication, and I've got a couple of slides, not 18 to be precise. What I want to do is I want to convert this into a PDF so that other people can view it without being able to make changes to it or edit it. So really could not be simpler. There are sort of 2 or 3 ways of doing this, but it's all done from the Save menu or from the File menu. So open the File menu, and like I said, we've got 2 options available to us straight away. We can the first one is Save As. Then we want to pick a place where we're going to save it. So I'm going to say I'm going to save it to this PC, and welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. Today we want to show you how. Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. And before we start, so what you want to do is you select PDF, then just name it PDF slideshow and press save. So now if I go in, let that load. So that has now saved that as a PDF. If I wanted to find it, all I would need to do would be to open up the File menu and go to the location where I saved it. Okay, so if I go to my documents and then look for the PDF, so if I click on PDF slideshow, and that will open. Now mine opens in Chrome, yours may open in a different reader depending on what you use, but you can see here it has opened as a PDF now, and that means nothing that can happen will ever edit this. It is one solid document now. One way this is really helpful, and one thing that I tend to do is when I'm creating ebooks, I use PowerPoint to design them. I don't need fancy expensive software like Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Publishing and stuff like that. I can use PowerPoint to create simple ebooks and then convert it to PDF, and then away we go. So you can see there my PowerPoint is all in a PDF. Now I'm going to close that down because I'm going to show you the second way of saving a presentation as a PDF. So again, from the File menu, this time you're going to scroll down to Export. Click on Export, and then you'll get a couple of different options for the type of export you can do. So for instance, you've got PDF, you've got video, which you may have seen our presentation, the slideshow video, exactly the same way of doing it. So we click on PDF, and then we press the Create PDF button. Again, we get the same pop-up box, and then we want to set a name, and so I'll say Step 2. And you can see PDF under the Save As type box is already selected. If I press Publish, that will then publish it. You will get this little publishing box up here, and once that's done, you will then be able to go back into the files, your folder structure, and open up that PDF. So you can see here I've got Step 2. If I double click on that, that will then open up. So I've now got my PDF. Thank you for watching today, guys and girls. We hope this tutorial was useful for you. If it is, please let us know down in the comments below. We always love to hear from people watching our videos. Now, if you want to see more of these type of tutorials, please hit that subscribe button and also press the notification button. That way you can always get the latest updates and notifications as to when we publish our videos, which are usually on Mondays and Fridays. But for now, we are glad we were able to show you how to convert a slideshow into a PDF. Until next time, guys, bye bye.